We really wanted to do something community-based. So we talked about this 6 months ago, really wanted to make it interactive and draw the community in. So these artists are actually painting graffiti style. And it's gonna be around the no justice, no justice, no peace kind of theme. And we're also going to leave openings where the community can come with markers when we're at events and actually put their thoughts in. And so it will become an evolving, dynamic community project.
Using art as like a bridge to have those difficult conversations, and giving people that safe place to like say what you need to say, but also connecting people.
We're a community, and that's community is about the people, and it's not about one person, it's not about one type of people, one culture. It's all the cultures together. Making sure that we have a voice and others feel like they have a voice too. We want to provide that voice, and art is a great way. There's lots of ways that you can tap into what you're good at.